Hey guys, it's Stephanie from Wilton. Having good quality bakeware is just as important as having a good recipe, but there's so much out there that it can be confusing and a bit overwhelming. This video today is going to help you understand the most common types of baking pans and what they're used for. The first type of bakeware I'm going to talk about is your traditional. Now this is your standard typical choice. These are your square pans, your round pans, your sheet cake pans. What I have right here is a square pan. Now these typically have high, straight, flat sides and a straight bottom to give you a nice, even bake. An important thing to note about traditional pans is that you have a lot of different choices when it comes to coating. Now what I have right here is an aluminum pan. What's great about this is it's so durable, it's gonna last you a really, really long time. Now you also have a choice of non-stick coating. Now the non-stick coating will help you with the release of the cake, but you want to make sure you still use a non-stick spray like Bake Easy to give you a good clean release. Now these are dishwasher safe, yay! So you can put them in your dishwasher, but you also want to note if you have a dark coating like this, you want to make sure that you either reduce your bake time or your temperature, because the darker the coating, the faster your cake is going to bake. A popular type of bakeware is the cupcake pan. These make small portions all at once. Typically it makes a dozen. Usually you pair it with baking cups for easy release, which is awesome for identical portions.
When you're baking and cooking more at home, you need pans and baking sheets that will hold up day after day, like our Wilton Perfect Results Premium Nonstick Bakeware. The sturdy, cold-rolled steel and durable premium nonstick coating promote even baking. The oversized handles make them easy to grab and move around the kitchen, even while wearing oven mitts. The nonstick coating also keeps food from sticking, so your baked goods slide right off. Cakes, muffins, and cookies stay intact and not on the pan. And the best part is, all of our Perfect Results pans are dishwasher safe, so they're easy to clean. Durable, dependable, and easy to clean, our Wilton Perfect Results Premium Nonstick Bakeware line is your go-to for any recipe, any day, from dinner to dessert.
Hi everyone, my name is Ayesha Curry. I am a wife, a mom, a chef, and a self-proclaimed girl boss. My kitchenware has everything anybody could ask for. It's modern with that traditional flair that we all know and love, and there is something for everyone within the collection. Thank you guys, I hope you enjoy.